Imagine yourself in this 2012 Ford Escape Limited. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. This vehicle comes with a reliable 6-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. This vehicle's top features include CD player, keyless entry, floor mats, child safety locks, pass-through rear seat, AM/FM stereo, and rear reading lamps. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to schedule a test drive.